Hello everyone and welcome to another installation video. Yes, I guess all this time all I'm doing is preparing the bike for the next season of adventures. So today there is something that I was waiting for very long time and was always back ordered. So without further ado, we're gonna install the central stand from Outback Motortek. Yes, finally arrived last week, so I was just waiting to make this video. It's a pretty straightforward installation, nothing to it, but the two springs, that might be a little challenge. Anyways, let's get to it. So this is what's included in the box. So we got our stand, the brackets, the two springs, the bumper, and the most important, stickers. So first thing first, we're gonna install the little bumper over here. Right here. Is it? Right here. Yes, it's right there. But I'm gonna put some Loctite on it. As always, I don't like stuff coming loose. There you go. This bolt goes right inside the bumper, so it will not be sticking out. Right. So first, what we're gonna do is remove this nut over here. There you go. Because we're gonna put this little, we're gonna put a stand and this little bracket inside there, into it. There you go. Okay, so the idea is now, I don't know, I'm kind of checking out YouTube, but YouTube has a little bit different design here. So this goes right in here, like that. But I gotta need some grease first. This bracket should go over here. So what they are actually showing on YouTube is a little bit different. And I think we're gonna, yeah. It's a little tough to, there you go, just like that, yeah. So the stand will be locking in place over here, just like this. All right. Okay, let's get some grease. And I grease this little part over here. There you go, I got some grease over here. I'm gonna grease this all the way around here because that's where the central stand is gonna be sitting on. Paper towels. I really don't like to work using gloves. I guess I'm the old-fashioned. Oh yeah, nice and slick. There you go. Now we're gonna put the little bracket on the way we had it earlier. There you go. The little bracket goes right here. Somehow we gotta wiggle it. Okay, there you go. That's right. I'm gonna use some Loctite. Oh my goodness, I really don't like working in gloves. I will not tie this yet till I do the other side. Actually, I think this side could be tied because there's nothing. It's just holding this actually little bracket, and we're gonna make sure the bracket is actually in an upright position here. Because yeah, it's not tightening the stand. Just making sure that the bracket is up. There you go. Okay, that's that. Let's go to the other side. On this side, we have this little, I don't know how to call it, spacer. It goes right here, and then the bolt goes inside there through the, that's interesting, because my stand is on the way of installing the bolt. That's interesting. Okay, let's do this different way. Let's put the bolt through and then the spacer. There you go, that's the way to do it. See, the bolt goes through first. Anyways, first I'm gonna put some grease on it because this is a little moving part. I'm gonna do this off camera over here on the other side. Right here. There you go. Clean my fingers from grease. Now we just gotta get the little bolt through. Yeah, right there. Put a nut on it from the other side. It's a little tight over here. There you go. And then now we're gonna use two number 17s. I'm gonna hold it with one side and screw in with the other. That's ideal over here. Okay, that's that. And now we have one more bracket here. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna try to show you guys what's happening here. So this is the spring bracket, which goes right on this little, I'm sorry, I want to show it to you, but I gotta move my hand somehow so it can be visible what I'm doing. Okay, let's do it. Let's put a light over here. I don't know what you guys can see. It's right there. Hooks right here on this little knob. And now there is two springs attached to it. A little spring and a longer spring. So I am moving this around and it's falling all over the place because I'm kind of, yeah, like I'm saying earlier, I'm doing this looking through the camera lens other than spring. One went through. Where is the second one? Come on, I need 2 springs in there. Just wondering if this goes this way or if it goes, yeah, I guess it goes this way. Okay, we've got 2 springs through. I gotta align this little spring over here. Yeah, there you go. Just like this. And now the fun part is to pull them into this spot right here. I do have an idea how to do it, but let's see if that's gonna work or not. Now we can have some fun of me struggling with the springs. Okay, I do have another idea, but I'm gonna try to put the little spring first, just using this vice grip here. The little spring shouldn't be a major problem. I'm just worried. Yeah, the little spring is easy. Boom. Oh, I hope the bigger spring maybe does this too, huh? What do you think? What do you guys think? Maybe? Oh, it'll be a breeze. Yeah, right. I always said, better work smarter than harder. I'm not an engineer, but I'm guessing this might work. It stretches it nicely. Yeah. It's almost there. Look at it. She's in. So what I did, I tied my string right here, and I'm using a wheel spin to pull a spring. There you go. Work smarter, not harder. Look at this. And it's not going on any bearings, anything. It's just around this sprocket. That's it. And all we're gonna do now, I'm gonna cut this little loop. Maybe not even cut it. Maybe she's just gonna slip right out. Let me pull it the other way. I think she's gonna just slip right out. There you go. Awesome, look at this. Woo. Central stand installed. There you go. Woohoo. Okay, I never have done this before, guys, okay? Let me see. I kick this back. That's a central stand down. Gotta learn how to do this. Oh, you gotta lift it a little bit. Boom. Hell yeah, she's standing on the central stand. Just gotta learn how to do it. Push her off. Why don't? Boom. Yes. There you go. Installation done. Time to clean up. So on this rainy day, with the airplanes flying low, we're gonna do the little demonstration. Ta-da! Nice and easy. is a pretty good handle. Wait here. Do it again. Don't go anywhere. Let's use the bike handles. Actually, very, very easy. The way it's designed, you actually just stand on it, putting your weight. Look, that easy. Thank you guys for creating this little stand really, really well. Cheers. And on this note, guys, see you later, probably on the next installation or some other work, because the riding season is over. Be good, ride safe, peace.